Hi teacher and classmates. My name is Felipe Rios. I am 23 years old. Uh, I am an industrial engineering student. This is still two. Chaos valued from technology innovation. In October 22, a company was select server was conducted to identify digital transformation. Now we realize if the other software that has similar characters. We realize uh, related Syscafe Delphi software. Our Syscafe commercial society made of Trujillo Norman Hernandario y Mayorga Pavón Humano. Delphin Software owner commercial society made Alberto Zapata. Technical description. Syscafe. Quickly manage your business including your accounts, raise bear, processes and inventories, always adjusted to current legal regulation. Some benefits are portfolio management, level printing, suggestion portions, consultation of reports, and Delphin software. Technical description. Billing process for sales of goods and service features. POS billing of goods and service, billing in batch, POS returns article contention, mail level printing or taking inline handling of documents, differentiated by class. Prices. Cisco 2 millions for 1,000 by component and model required, and David over two 2 millions 5,000 by component and model required. Payment terms: cash payment, cash payment. Okay, continue. Relations change between software. They are two similar software, but are considered update the Syscafe software. With more servers and that are more adjusted to the needs of the company survey, where it allows digital transformation is a clearer and more complex process that adjusts to the needs in the characteristics of each product, offering advantages in the use of but taking into account the needs and relation to the company service fit more think. Okay. Conclusion. Considering the relation between costs and benefits in the use of software in Colombia in the digital transformation in companies, it is necessary to deny the minds that originate in large investment and values that are due in digital transformation is more contained in the evolution of the company's building capacities to generate competition um, and private the service and product offer. In this transformation, more training is required in the operators that are in it. Okay, thank you.